How to create realistic 3D clothing in Blender. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make cloth look super realistic in Blender even if you're new to 3D modeling. Let's dive right in. To spawn an object, just press Ctrl, then A. Start by adding a cube. Now press Ctrl A again and add a plane. Use G to move the plane above the cube. Click the cube, go to the Physics Properties tab, and enable collision so the cloth interacts properly. Select the plane, go to Physics, and choose Cloth to apply the simulation. Right-click the plane and hit Subdivide. Increase the number of cuts in the bottom left to add more geometry for detailed folds. Now smooth it out. Right-click again and choose Shade Smooth. Then go to Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier, and choose Subdivision Surface to make the cloth look even more realistic. Hit spacebar or play the timeline to watch the plane fall and drop over the cube. That's it! You've created realistic 3D clothing with cloth simulation in Blender in under a minute.